Hi everyone, Steve with SteffenMarkkus. Today we're going to talk about how to make cold brew at home. So stay tuned. Alright, well welcome back. Okay, so how do you make cold brew? Well, it turns out it's pretty simple and you really don't need any kind of special brewer to make it. I'm going to use a French press and a cone filter to filter out any sediment that comes from the French press at the end. This particular French press holds 850 milliliters or 29 ounces. And what we're going to do is use 58 grams of coffee, filtered room temperature water, and then we're going to grind the coffee on the coarsest setting. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, let's start with the beans. So we'll grind the beans at the coarsest setting. It's going to take a minute. Okay, so let's get the grinds, and we'll pour the grounds. And now we're going to pour 850 milliliters or 29 ounces of water over the French press, the grounds. Stir. Just place the cap on this. So let's let this sit for 24 hours. Then we'll come back and we'll serve it up. All right. Okay, we're back. Okay, so if you recall, we brewed 850 milliliters or 29 ounces of cold brew using 56 grams of coffee from our Ethiopian light. This is a natural process Ethiopian. What we're going to do is we're going to press this press pot, and then we're going to pour the coffee over a V60 filter into our chilled glass. And then we have our cold brew. Okay, let's give it a try. Okay, so let's go ahead and press it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and press this down. We don't have to press it all the way down. Just enough to get it below the spout. And then we'll put our V60 filter over here, an extra glass. And then let's go ahead and pour it over the ice. See how this comes out. So what this filter does is it pulls any remaining grounds out that you might have pulled out here. So any bitter flavors that you might have picked up just going directly from the French press into the ice, this will filter that out. Okay, put this over here. We'll have a little bit extra. Let's give it a little swirl and see what it tastes like. Oh, it's very good. It's got a lot of body. You don't taste so much of the berry that you see in the Ethiopian, but you definitely taste the black one. So it's very good. So give it a try at home. All right, we'll talk to you soon.